Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a portfolio related to photography using Wix. So let's just dive right in. First of all, as you can see, I just created an account. I'm going to be clicking on create new site on the top right side of my screen, and once I do that, you can see we have these options showing up in here. We can simply go with setup without a chat. So chat feature is going to be allowing you to select through different type of AI based helping models. So you can select portfolio from here, and then you should have a photography portfolio here. So you can see we have many genres here. We have video, computer animation. So you can select your photography option in here. So you can go with artist, right? So we do have an artist option here, since it is an artist genre that we are going to be making a website for. Then it is basically preparing our dashboard and loading the templates. So make sure to click on this design side option on the top right side of your screen, and just wait for a couple of seconds until your templates are going to be loaded. You can see pick a template, and it is going to be creating you different type of templates. So you can use these for your photography portfolio and just get started with that. So that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.